my name is Jen, and this is my daughter,
Ava
Lynn. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We're so happy to have every single one of you here today. What are we here to do today, Ava Lynn?
Advent calendar unboxing.
Yeah, so we are here for day number 5 of VLOGMAS. So happy VLOGMAS. Pay attention. I bet you by day 24, unless, do we open boxes on 25 days? I don't think we do for 25. Isn't it 24?
25.
24. So anyways, I bet you by the last day, she is going to be able to run these videos on her own. Right, Lou?
Yeah.
Okay. As Ava has already told you, we are doing advent calendar unboxings for one portion of this video. We've got 4 advent calendars that we're working on this year. And then I am also sharing my top 25 WW favorites. So if you're only here for the WW, that is just fine. I will put a timestamp down below so you guys can jump straight to that. If you're only here for the advent calendars, that's just fine also. I will put a timestamp for that as well. However, if you are interested in watching both, we would truly appreciate all the support we can get from you guys. So the more minutes you watch, the more minutes we have to add to our channel. Let's go ahead and get started on our advent calendars. Ava, what you got first, kiddo?
I'll open the big lots. 12 days of beauty.
That's not creepy.
12 days of beauty.
Creeper. Oh, it's a hair scrunchie for me. Never mind, you're not a creeper. As you can see, Ava does not have a lot of hair. Well, hold on. We could do it. Let me show you what it is first, and then we're going to show you how we make it work in Ava's hair. It's one of these little plastic, like, Invisibobble type hair things. These are fantastic. They do stretch, but all you have to do to get them back to their regular shape is brown them under hot water, and they're good to go. So let's show you how Ava's hair can be pulled up in a nice ponytail.
Ow.
There you go.
Yeah.
Big fluffy unicorns floating on rainbows.
It's dancing,
Dancing.
Mom.
Big fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
One day number
Cool.
5.
So as you can tell, that calendar is geared more towards little ones. But Ava is 13 years old, so she's kind of at that age where she still likes the littler kid stuff, but she's also into the big kid stuff. Big kid calendar is coming up next for her. I am going to show you what I got in my Keurig K-Cup advent calendar before she gets to open her next one, though. Day number 5. Ooh. Here's what the inside of this calendar looks like, just in case you guys missed the first few videos. Isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. I'm going to have to find something to do with it. I say that, but by the time I open everything, it's all going to be torn apart anyways, so I don't know. Let's see. This is another new one. This is Dark Chocolate Hazelnut by Green Mountain. Yum, a yum. I have not had this flavor, just in case you didn't know what I meant by new one. All right. Well, anyways, I'm very excited to give this a try. Ava, you want to let them know what you're opening next?
Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty.
Put it down so they can hear you.
We're opening Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty.
12 Days of Beauty.
I do a lot of funny voices.
Day number 5. Yeah, she does a lot of funny voices.
She tells me not to, but I still do.
It goes with her funny looking self. Is it something for me? It is! What is
Fuck, get the other one. It's a berry.
You want me to hold it while you tell them what it is?
It's a berry lip mask.
Oh, a berry lip mask, huh? I'm going to put my hand behind it. Good job, Lynn. Wow. Let's see if it smells. Berry lip mask. Oh, it's got one of the rubber applicators. I love those.
Every lip gloss does.
They don't all have applicators like that. Ooh. Applicators.
Alligators.
Yeah. All right. Very cool.
Twinsies.
So now she's got cotton candy lip gloss. She's got berry lip mask, and then she's got cherry lip gloss.
It's frosting, Mom.
Sorry, frosting lip gloss. Frosting lip gloss, cherry glittery lip gloss, and now she's got a berry lip mask. Now let's get day number 5 of the big kahuna.
I'm guessing the third one.
You think it's in the third drawer?
Yeah.
All right, let's look. Oh, sorry. I thought I only had 3 drawers. Mom can count.
No, it's in the fourth drawer.
The 4th drawer?
Yeah.
Did you already see it?
Yeah.
Oh, duh. Okay. So here's what drawer number 4 looks like.
Ooh.
And then there's number 5. Any guesses what it is?
No. I don't know.
It's heavy. Feel how heavy it is. Does it smell?
No, it smells like a box.
Ooh, we got a box.
Nice.
Sweet. I love boxes. All right. Okay. That's what it looks like.
Ooh.
Any guesses yet?
No, can I feel it?
It's mine. I didn't take yours. I did kind of take yours, didn't I? Can you hold that, please? You dingleboard. It's watermelon something.
Yeah.
Very cool. Let me put my glasses on so I can read this to you because I don't have any idea what it
I'm
is.
so excited. It's watermelon.
So, Glow Recipe! Glow Recipe! I've never had anything by Glow Recipe, but everybody else in the whole world has. Now Chaos. Jen does too.
What's that?
That's a Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleep Mask. Wowzers. I do not want to open this yet, but I'm going to read the instructions. To use as a peeling sleeping mask, apply 2 dime-sized amounts to skin as the final step of the evening routine. Pat gently until absorbed. Wash thoroughly in the morning. Nice. I love watermelon. Love watermelon. So very excited to give this one a try. All right, let's go ahead and see what my WW favorite is for today. Hey, future Jen here and future Ava with her little elf legs. Anyways, I wanted to share with you my WW favorites for day 5 of Vlogtober. I'm kind of out of breakfast ideas unless I just want to show you pictures of pancake bakes or overnight oatmeals. So what I thought I would do is, why are the lights flashing on the tree?
I think they do that.
You do? Anywho, squirrel already. So what I thought I would do is move on to snack type things. The first snack that I thought I would share with you is also really good for lunch. I add it to breakfast dishes, I add it to dinner, and then I eat it for snack. And it is cheese. I love cheese. Love, love, love cheese. So I have 2 different kinds of cheese that I can actually show you, and then I'm going to post, like the other videos, several pictures of other cheeses. The first one that I have is one that I get from Trader Joe's. This is the Jarlsberg Light Swiss cheese. This is 1 for 1 point, and it is nice, thick slices. So this is really good, like I said, either to eat by itself or I add it a lot of times to sandwiches or omelets. And then the other favorite cheese of mine is the Velveeta. They have Velveeta slices. They've got, this is the sharp cheddar. They have original, and then they also have a jalapeno. Now, the original and the sharp are both 1 point for 1 slice, and the jalapeno is 2 points for 1 slice. And then they've also got Velveeta shreds, which I will show you pictures of right here. Alright guys, which one of those do you think would be your favorite? The reason I choose Velveeta shreds over the fat-free cheeses is because for me, sometimes the fat-free cheeses tend to feel a little waxy and they don't melt very well. Whereas the Velveeta, they are always deep, rich, creamy, and full of flavor. That's why they are my favorite. Alright friends, there you go. Let me know what you thought down in the comments. Again, if you wouldn't mind giving us a thumbs up, we would truly appreciate it. It helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying our content and encourages them to promote our videos so that we can keep growing our YouTube family. If you're not a member of our YouTube family, please consider hitting that subscribe button right here. It's a little picture of me, or there's a red subscribe button down in the description. Alright guys, that's enough chitty chatty. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Until next time, happy holidays.
Keep smiling.
And keep smiling. Bye guys.